We're now outside. That's Joseph. We call him Chucky. There's Haley, Sabrina. And then in the beginning was Tennille, me, Tracy. We're going. Oh, there's Aaron, busy running. I don't know what his nickname is, but we'll just call him Retard. There's little kids just walking. Weird kids. This is our friend Samantha.
Who are you on?
And that's Brianna.
Oh my god.
We're posting it on YouTube.
Why? Excuse me, it blacked out. Let me see. No.
Still recording. Aaron's hiding in the bushes. Come here, look. Aaron's hiding in the bushes right there. Aaron.
I wonder where he is.
Stay right here. I'm gonna go find Aaron. Oh, there he is. He's hiding. Hey! 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 Say hi. Russell. Who dies first? Ooh, me. This is the vending machine. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is not attractive. Yum. Okay. We're gonna do a wrestling match next.
I wanted to say